if you group items in pivot tables and use slicers, you may find that you want to see the grouping in the actual slicer. So you'll see here we've got our pivot table, we've got a slicer. It is based on this item here. What people don't realize is when you group, so I'm going to click on that one, hold my control key down, that one, right click, I'm going to say group, and I'm going to give this one a name. Okay, and then I can get rid of the first one. Problem is, can you see the slicer hasn't changed? The reason for that is if you look over here, there's the original, and then notice when we created the grouping, it's actually got a different name. It's called Destination Network 2. So this slicer, if we want to see the slicer that relates to this, we must go to Pivot Table, Analyze, Insert Slicer. So there's the original, but at the bottom here is the new grouped one. So I can say OK, and there is now the slicer showing the groupings we've put together.